Hello students, yesterday we have completed the open book test on health and diseases, okay, and this is the second revision test on health and diseases only, and it is based on page number 9 to 13, okay. So first of all we'll see which is the first question I gave you here. The question is the complete the following. We have to complete this following: heart diseases and treatment. I think you have got this question very easily in the textbook because this is the activity which is given in our textbook, okay. So we will see which is the activity is there. So here it is the question, okay. So if you see here, this is the activity I gave you in your from your textbook. So heart diseases, how the heart diseases are get cured or get treatment, giving treatment on heart diseases, that is the question. That is open heart surgery, then installation of pacemaker, installation of stents, heart transplant, angioplasty, bypass surgery. From these 6, any 4 you have to write in our activity. That is the open book test. Inside I gave you that activity, inside you have to write, okay. Now so here you have to write anything, any 4 from the above activities, okay. Any 4 treatments on the heart diseases. This is the first question. Now question number 2. What is the second question? Write what are the symptoms of following diseases. So here I gave you 4 diseases. Which are those 4 diseases? First is rabies, cancer, diabetes and heart diseases. So for on these 4 diseases, the symptoms we have to write, okay. For question number 2, you have to write the symptoms of rabies, cancer, diabetes and heart disease. So if yes, whenever you are solving this open book test, it is very important before solving the test you have to read the lesson. You have to read the lesson 2 times, 3 times you have to read till you are not understanding each and every point from the lesson. You have to read the lesson and then only you can write the test. So what I ask you, first question is the second question is the symptoms of the cancer. So here it is cancer. If the I ask you symptoms, but they may be ask the reasons of cancer also, okay. So reasons are given here, symptoms are here it is. So what are the symptoms according to our test? We will see the symptoms are the chronic cough, harsh voice, difficulty in swallowing, then incurable scars and inflammation, second, lumps in breast, okay, and unexplained weight loss. These are the symptoms of cancer. These are the symptoms of cancer. After cancer, I ask you, first is the rabies and symptoms, cancer is second one. So I told you second cancers. So first is rabies. So rabies, as you know that when the animals bite us, okay, then we are getting the disease that is called as a rabies. So what are the symptoms of rabies? If you see here, the symptoms of rabies are it occurs due to the bite of infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, etc. Virus enter the brain via neuron and hydrophobia. So symptoms are not starting from here, which is that first symptom is hydrophobia, means the person gets scared of water. So hydrophobia is one of the important symptom of the disease. This is the important symptom. In this case, the victim shows the extreme fear of water. Means what? It get fear of water. Rabies is a fatal disease. However, fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination before onset of symptom, okay, and symptoms starts to appear within 90 to 170 days. So symptom is which is given here. The first symptom is one of the symptom given here, that is the hydrophobia, okay. Then next it is the rabies over cancer I told you. Next disease I told you, ask you the question, that is the diabetes. So here it is the diabetes. So diabetes. So what are the symptoms of diabetes? It is given here only, the symptoms which cannot be ignored, and those symptoms are frequent urination at night, increased obesity or weight loss. These are the symptoms of the diabetes. And here if they are asking in the exam reasons of the diabetes, so you have to write for this, that is heredity, obesity, lack of physical exercise and mental stress. These are the reasons because of it what happens, the person get a diabetes. But now they are asking only the symptoms, so you have to write the symptoms only for this. Okay. And now fourth one is the heart diseases, and for that also you have to write the symptoms of heart diseases. So what are the symptoms of heart diseases? The efficiency of heart decreases due to decrease in blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply of the heart to the heart muscles. Okay, and due to this what happens, heart performs more work that leads to stress on, and this may cause heart attack. If someone has a heart attack, immediate consultation of the doctor is what happens, we have to consult it. So that is the introduction, but here symptoms are given. As per question you have to write. If I ask you here symptoms, the meaning of it is not that in exam symptoms only will come. There may be asked the reasons also for the heart attack. So here symptoms given: severe chest pain, chest is paining, pains in shoulder, shoulder pains, neck and arm, not only shoulder, neck, arm inside what happens, pains are there, cramps in hand, uneasiness and tremor. These are the reasons of the symptoms of the heart attack. And when they will ask you reasons of heart attack, you have to write this: smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, heredity, mental stress, anger, anxiety. These are the symptoms of the heart attack. Okay, now after this question number second, we will move towards the next question. So the question is, we have to write a short note on generic medicines, then second, misuse of medicines, third, lifestyle and diseases, and cancer. On these 4 points I told you to write the short note. So we will see one by one how to search its answer in our textbook. Okay. So first is the generic medicine. So as you know that the generic medicine point is here. So you have to write the short note on generic medicines. And one thing is that in science you have to write the answer in point wise. You have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't like a paragraph like language inside you are writing, no paragraph. In that way we are not writing the answers in science. You have to write it in point wise. So generic medicine short note. Generic medicines are also known as general medicines. So this will come point. This is the first point. Second, these are manufactured and distributed without any patent. There is no patent, that's why its cost is less. Third, these medicines act per in quantity with branded medicines. Okay. Fourth point, production cost of this medicine is very low, and due to the fewer expense on research, as this formula is readily available, these medicines are what have the low cost. That we have to write under the short note of generic medicines, but you have to write in a point wise. Now second short note I asked you on lifestyle and the diseases. Because of the acquired lifestyle, how the diseases the person get, that we have to see in this. Okay, so first of all, as per heading you will understand that the answer may be here in this. So lifestyle, it include daily routine and a type of food nowadays habit like staying in a bed till late morning, going to bed late night, frequent changes in the meal timing, lack of physical exercise, consumption of junk food have been increased. So this is a lifestyle that we have changed, and due to this lifestyle, which are the diseases that we acquired, that is also given here. Have been increased, and due to this what happens, the persons are getting sick frequently. That all things we have to write in the short note. If frequently, the frequency of becoming sick be lowered, people should follow the right lifestyle. It must include sufficient sleep, right food, yogasana, pranayam and physical exercise, the physical exercise should be as per one's own capacity. Okay, pranayam, yogasana should be performed under the expert supervision, and see the videos of pranayam and yogasana. So these points will come in the lifestyle and diseases. If this question will come for 3 marks, you have to write at least 6 points in this lifestyle and the diseases. So generally in science inside, if 1 mark is given, you have to, for 1 mark you have to write 2 points. Each point carries half mark. Okay, so in that way you have to complete this second short note, that is the lifestyle and the diseases. Next point I gave you that short note on the misuse of medicines. So misuse of medicines is given here, it is there. Sometimes some people take medicines without prescription. Okay, whenever our head paining or something happens, we are going directly in the medical, and we are just telling them the symptoms and they are giving us the medicines. But it is actually not, because the person who is giving medicine, he is not the expert in the prescribing the medicine. So overdose of the medicines may affect our body. Exercise overdose, example, overdose of painkiller may damage nervous system. Okay, our nervous system damage means we are losing our control on our body, excretory system, liver. And overdose of antibiotics may lead to nausea, stomachache, dysentery, rash, white patches on the tongues. Okay, and that's why we does not use the medicines, okay, without prescription of the doctors, or the misuse. So this will come in the short note of the which misuse of medicines. Okay, after that the next I gave you have to write the cancer, short note on cancer. As you know that cancer is a very dangerous disease nowadays, and this disease is incurable. If first and second stage is there, we can take the proper medicine and we increase the life of the person, but it is a incurable disease. So that's why I gave this question 2 times for awareness. So and these types of questions, generally the questions on this type of means current affairs are there, on it some questions are coming. So cancer is what happens, it is a very dangerous disease, so we have to write the short note on it. So whenever you are writing the short note, you have to write first of all what is cancer. So you have to write this: uncontrolled and abnormal growth of cells is called as a cancer. A group of lumps of cancerous cell is called as a malignant tumor. And cancer can occur in various organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach. This you write your own. If you are writing, definition should be correct, and where is the cancer we can see in which organ, that we will write. Then 2-3 points we have completed. Then after write reasons of the cancer: consumption of tobacco, hookah, smoking, alcoholism, lack of fiber content, fruits and leafy vegetable in body food, excessive consumption of junk food like pizza, burger are the reasons. Okay, and heredity is also the one of the reason of the cancer. And its symptom, if we write, which are the symptom, we already discussed it, that is chronic cough, harsh voice, difficulty in swallowing, incurable scars and inflammation, lumps in breasts, unexplained weight loss. These are the symptoms. From this, if you write from cancers inside 1 point, reason 1 or 2, symptoms 1 or 2, then your short note will be ready for the cancer. So in this way we have to write the answers for the short note. We will, after this question, we will move towards the 4th question, and the question number 4 is the importance of yogasanas and physical exercise. Explain the importance of yogasanas and the physical exercise. So for this question, that is the importance of yogasanas and pranayam, you have to write your own answer for this question, because as you know that the yogasanas and pranayams are there. It is important, as you know that it increases the efficiency of body, then it also increases the what we are saying, strength of the body. Again our body becomes fit and fine because of pranayams and yogasanas. And because of it, what happens, the that you know that the PM Modi sir has started the yoga day in our India. Not only in India, all over the world, the peoples are, what happens, they are doing the pranayams and yogasanas for the what, for the proper health. It increases the mental and the physical strength also. And in that way, some points you can add your own points, and you can write the importance of the pranayams and yogasanas. So these types of questions they may be asked you, because you know that we are doing these activities at home. Okay, this year also, as you know that we perform the yoga day in online yoga day we have conducted in our school. So you have to write such a type of points in this question. Okay, after this question we will move towards the last question, and that question is the right first aid for heart diseases. As you know that the heart attack, if a person get, then what happens, if we are not giving the first aid to him, so the person may die before going to hospital. So you must know the first aid for the heart diseases. So this question I included here, so you have to study it, and how to find it in the textbook I will tell you. So here it is the question, and heart attack we have to see. So where it is the heart attack. So here, so for this question here, note that heart attack, first aid for heart attack. So what is given here, first aid called as, first call 108 for ambulance. Okay, when the person get the symptoms, otherwise he is getting heart attack, you just call the 108 for ambulance. Okay, it is the ambulance number. Okay, check the consciousness of patient by shaking the shoulders. So shake his shoulder and just see how much conscious he is. Okay, then keep the patient lying on the back or in horizontal position. Okay, so let him sleep properly on hard surface, and perform compression only live support, means COLS, that is compression only live support. I shown you the video of this also. Okay, so COLS we have to do, and in this what we have to do, we have to press the center of thorax. Thorax is our center, we have to press, but how many, it has a particular quantity is there, and that is the, at least we have to compress it, but press the center of the thorax for at least 30 times at a rate of 100 to 120 strokes per minute. Okay, so in that way, if we press his thorax, then person's life can, we can save the life of that person. So in that way, we have to find the questions answer in our textbook, because it is open book test. You have to open the textbook, read the lesson, understand the meanings, and then you have to write the answer for this open book test. So in that way, I told you how to complete this open book test, and today we have conducted on 9 to 13. Yesterday I gave you this test, and you have to complete this. Each point's answer you have to write properly. In a point wise you have to write the answer. Okay, don't write in a paragraph type, because it is not the correct way of writing. And tomorrow we will see the next lessons open book test I will give you. And actually there are 4 lessons are there for syllabus. From that 2 lessons open book test I have completed, and next 2 lessons we will complete. And you have to study, not just give importance to the examples, questions which is given under the textbook. With that questions you have to read that lesson, workbook inside some extra questions are there, that also you have to study for the exam. Okay, so today we will stop here only. Complete this test, have a good day, and do the study for science. And for this also you have to do the practice of figures and all, because science inside give reasons, figure are very important, and these types of activities. Okay, today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you, have a good day.